New age dawned in the 16th century when the empire took over the whole of the Arabian Peninsula, the Middle East, during the time of Sultan Selim I. Contained the Hijaz. The Holy Lands, including the sacred city of Mecca, remained under Ottoman for many years. The Ottoman Empire ruled over vast of territory at the time, particular interest, and was very careful about the protection and defense of these holy lands. During all the work that took around never to construct any building that was tall. The way Sultan Abdul Hamid II had special materials used for the Hijaz Railway to reduce the noise of the train is one of this respectful attitude. The Ottoman Sultan's attitude toward Mecca and Medina was rather than their ruler. For that reason, all the rulers after Selim I enjoyed the title Haraman al-Sharifain, meaning servant of the two holy cities. Through the time they ruled over the region, Ottoman Sultans immortal by discharging right down to the finest detail. In the time of Selim II, the wood of the great mosque were and replaced domes, which were crescent moons. Later on, in the reigns of Sultans Ahmed, Abdul Hamid I, Murad IV, Mahmud and Al-Rashid, various different and new parts added on around. 500 new small domes in the Turkish style, nude arches, in existing doors, lamps in the floors were located for circumambulation. Of famous architects and masons of the time can be seen in today's and its surroundings.